up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Info Girl. In this video, we're breaking down two of the most popular Navy Federal credit cards. The Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards American Express card and the Navy Federal Platinum credit card. And listen, if you're trying to get high limits, low interest, or if you're trying to maximize your reward, this video is going to save you a lot of time and mistakes. In this video, we're going to cover the credit scores that are needed, highest credit limits, which card is easier to get, and which one is best for you. All right, first things first, these cards are very different in a lot of different ways. The More Rewards card is best for everyday spending and reward. The Platinum card is best for low interest and balance transfers. So right off the bat, one helps you make money and the other card helps you save money. Let's start with the More Rewards card. This card is actually one of the best everyday cards inside Navy Federal. The key benefits for this card is you get 3 times points on gas, groceries, restaurants, transits, 1 times on everything else. There's also no annual fee. Points never expire. So basically, this is your daily swipe card. Now, they do have a bonus offer, which is 20,000 points. So that's about $200 value after spending $2,000. Now, they do have a interest rate around 14% on the lower end and on the higher end at 18%. But this is based on credit worthiness. Now, it's not terrible, but this is not a card that you want to carry a balance on each month. Now, you want to make sure that you are paying this card off or at least trying each month if you are able to. Now, let's talk about what you all are really here for. The highest limit reported for this card. Now, around they have $50,000 max that is reported for this card. And yes, people are actually getting that amount or 10,000, being at the lowest, 20,000 or 30,000, but it depends on a lot of different factors. So your income, your relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union, your credit profile. Now, a credit score in order to get around that amount is typically at 650 or 750 the most. Now, I do recommend at least having a 680 plus credit card in order to get approved for this card. Now, this card is labeled for average to excellent credit scores, okay? So you want to keep that in mind before you actually apply for this card. Now, let's talk about the Platinum card. This card is very, very different. Now, this is not a rewards card. Now, this card is best for paying off your debt, balance transfers, and low interest. Now, the key benefits for this card is you get 0.99% intro APR on balance transfers. Now, this is limited time only. Now, they do have an ongoing APR at the lowest at 10.24% and at the highest at 18%, no balance transfer fee. And another downside about this card is there is no rewards whatsoever. Now, let me say this again. This card gives you 0 rewards. So if you're using this card for everyday spending, you're leaving money on the table. The Platinum card can also go up to about $50,000 plus, but this card is known for starting low. So sometimes you might get a limit of 5 or at the highest for a low is at 5,000. Then you can grow this card over time. Now, the credit score needed for this credit card is typically at a 650, 750, and I do recommend at least having a 680 credit score and above in order to be approved for this card. They do recommend having average to excellent credit, as we did mention. Now, if we're going to compare these cards side by side, More Reward versus the Platinum. Now, the More Reward card, I would definitely recommend. The Platinum wins lower APR. This card is best for spending. The Platinum is more for debt paid off. Both of these cards can reach around $50,000, which I think is really good, especially if you are looking for a high credit limit. Now, this is what smart people do. Use both cards together. So you can use More Rewards for spending use Platinum for balance transfers. That's how you build limits and you can save money. Now, if you're wondering how to get high limits, let's talk about this strategy because this is what separates beginners from people getting 25,000 plus approvals. Step one, you want to make sure that you build a relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union. The relationship matters a lot on a lot of other banks. You want to make sure that you are checking your account direct deposits. You are saving money in your account if you have a savings account with them. Your internal credit score matters with Navy Federal. Now they use an internal scoring system. So even if your credit score is 680, you can still get $10,000 or plus. You want to start lower, grow fast. So a lot of people start with 8,000 or maybe even 3,000, then jump to 10,000 or 20,000. After 91 days plus 3 statements, request a credit limit increase every 6 months. Ask for big increases. So let's be for real. Choose more rewards if you want cash back points. You spend on gas, food, groceries. You pay your balances off every month. And I do recommend for you to choose Platinum if you carry balances. You want low interest. You're doing balance transfers. If you made it this far, you now understand which Navy Federal card is better, how to get high limits, and how to use both card strategy. Now, if you want more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And drop a comment down below, more rewards or Platinum. Which one are you aiming for? Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.